In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Advanced Features. Now select one-handed mode by clicking on it on the left and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Now you need to click on one of those options to decide which is better for you to reduce display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, follow all of the instructions below the chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To resize your screen, hold one of its top corners and drag it. To change placement of it, you can either click on this icon on the left or on the right, or hold this sign at the top and drag your tiny screen whenever you want to, wherever you want to. To go back to standard size one, click on blurry area, and to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!